Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Dragonfly Park bringing you another YouTube video.
Yeah, just finished shooting the video of cleaning the mower deck and the engine to reduce your fire hazard, and I've gone to start the mower. Sounds like a flat battery, but it's not. This is a brand new battery, fully charged. What happens with some of these mowers is the engine just gets into a certain position where the starter just can't quite turn it. So what we'll do right now is show you how to fix that. So what you want to do, open your hood, won't turn one way, that's why the starter's got problems. Okay, so simply grab, or you can put a socket onto your center bolt here, and you just want to give this a turn, not even a full way round, maybe 2/3. Jump back on your machine, let's see how it goes.
This has been Andrew from Dragonfly Park. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, hit like and subscribe below, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.